how to remove watermark from videos and images from both free and paid ways. So let's get started. The first one is free way, onlinehitpaw.com. From here, you can simply upload any video you want to and remove the watermark easily. All you have to do is log into the Online HitPaw and tap on the Upload a Video option available there. Then simply tap on the Choose Files option available there and choose the file from your PC which contains the watermark to remove it. After you do so, it will layer up and remove your watermark. So that is it. This is the free version. You can only use it for the limited time, and the other one is the paid one. HitPaw is a popular software that offers watermark removal features for both images and videos. So HitPaw Watermark Remover offers a free version with limited functionality like a watermark on your exported file or a file size limit. But in a paid version for full functionality, removing watermarks without limitations, you will need to purchase a license. So monthly plan is around 9.99, around 19.99, and lifetime license is around 39.99. It is very easy to use. It supports both images and videos, and you can remove watermarks from multiple files simultaneously. The free versions comes with limitations that requires upgrading to the paid plan for full features. Depending on the complexity of the watermark, some areas may have slight distortions after removal as well. So HitPaw provides a straightforward solution for removing watermarks for both images and videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.